All right, guys. So I want to show you how to use the split screen setup on your Apple CarPlay. You can see I have the app version showing right now with all my information, the time, degrees, my phone, all this information about the phone, and my last 3 used apps here on the left rail. Now, if I wanted to use the split screen version view, at the very bottom you have the square. I would hit that. And now I have 3 distinct areas. One is going to be a map. The other is going to be controls for that map. And the third is going to be the last used music player. Okay. So I was currently listening to Apple Music. So this was the last thing playing on Apple Music. If I were to switch my maps to, let's say that I used Google Maps instead of Apple. If I go to the multi-view, I can now have my Google Map showing here with the Google Map controls here. Same, I literally just downloaded Waze, so this is not even set up, and you'll see that even though it's not set up, it's still picking up Waze. And then same for the music in the split screen. If I go to Spotify, you can see that this is the song that was playing on Spotify. I'm going to hit the square and it should, I have to actually hit play. Hold on. So hit play. So the last thing actually playing now is that. So now that's on Spotify. So this is going to organize itself based on your last used map. These are the controls for that map and your last used music player. Okay. And that's really how you're going to use this view. Sometimes some people like it better, some people don't. It's just an option. And you can scroll across to get through it or hit that square at the bottom. So yeah, just a super quick video today. I hope this helps, guys. If it does, if you could like and subscribe, I'll see you next time. Bye.